gosh. Blech, blech, blech. My shirt is so wrinkly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you 4 different Easter basket ideas. This is a video that I look forward to every year just to kind of think outside of the box and to give our kids something that they can use once Easter is over. I love these ideas. I think that they're so fun. I can't decide which one that I like the most, but I would love to hear which one you guys like, so please leave it down in the comments below. Can't wait to show you all 4 of them, so let's get started. Alright you guys, that is it for this year's Easter basket video. Let me know which one was your favorite. I had so much fun putting these together. Most of my items I found at Hobby Lobby, Target, our local Fred Meyer, the dollar store. I think that's about all. That's where I found everything. So if you have any questions about where a specific item is from, please leave them down in the comments below and I will try to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a happy Easter. I'll see you next time. Bye!